In this video, we present a real innovation in track lighting, railum from VARION. When it comes to rail track lighting, safety, efficiency, and environmental friendliness are paramount. With railum, we are launching a solution that perfectly combines all these aspects. Let's discover together why railum is the lighting system of the future. Railum is not just another lighting system, it is a revolution in track lighting. This special lighting solution is mounted directly on the rails and ensures that the light reaches exactly where it is needed. This precise alignment of the lighting leads to significantly improved visibility and safety for workers in track systems. But what makes railum so special? One of its main features is the drastic reduction in light pollution. In contrast to traditional lighting systems, which often unnecessarily illuminate the surroundings, railum minimizes disturbing light emissions. This means less glare for residents and better focusing of light on work surfaces. Another advantage of railum is that there is no need for lighting columns. Thanks to its ground-level installation, railum requires fewer poles, which not only reduces installation and maintenance costs, but also minimizes the visual impact on the surroundings. The flexibility of railum is remarkable. It can be used in a variety of scenarios, whether to illuminate platforms, container terminals, loading zones, or even in conjunction with other lighting solutions. This versatility makes it possible to adapt railum to the specific requirements of each installation. One of the most outstanding features of railum is its targeted illumination. The light is directed precisely onto the work surfaces and paths along the rails, where conventional mass lighting is often inadequate. This significantly increases safety for personnel, especially in areas where precise lighting is crucial. Railum is therefore the ideal solution for various applications, be it in railroad stations, freight terminals, workshops, or wherever safety and precise lighting are required. It is installed directly on the rails, which not only increases efficiency but also improves safety through targeted light guidance. Railum represents a new era in track lighting. By combining efficient illumination, reduced light pollution, and flexible applicability, railum offers the optimum solution for modern track systems. If you want to take your rail infrastructure to the next level, railum is the answer. Visit our website for more information and contact us for individual advice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video if you enjoyed it.